My name is Robert Gmeiner. I'm the CEO of Cubicure based in Vienna. Our company pioneers in the field of polymer additive manufacturing. Our goal is to develop the very best additive printing solutions available on the market today. Vienna is one of the internationally few, if not the only, places to achieve this. I love making stuff. Currently, so many of the innovations stay in the digital domain. So to actually produce and hold something in your hands kind of feels like a privilege. Vienna has an excellent history in technical sciences, especially in the material science. This is the key ingredient for additive manufacturing. And the AM community is truly vibrant, with a high level of engagement. On top of that, when we spun out of the academic realm, the university as well as the city offered all the support we could wish for. You really feel it's happening. You've got those smaller outlets that focus on design and retail. You'll also find the most sophisticated additive manufacturing venues, something that doesn't go unnoticed by the international community. We innovate on a lot of fronts. We need a lot of expertise. Therefore, we need really good people. And Vienna can offer that. Not only do you find the largest number of students in the city from all the German-speaking countries, Vienna is also a haven of activity. From the outdoors to culture, an abundance of festivals, plenty of green space. One step outside on the outskirts, a huge forest that is ready to explore. The city offers a good life that is inspiring while at the same time being affordable. And that's very attractive to people who want to move here. Only being in Vienna made it possible to form a team of such high quality and motivation. Without excellent people, nothing big can be raised. It's about humans. That's what I learned.